Summertime is one of my most favorite seasons because you get to incorporate all the fresh food in all of your recipes. Another one of my most favorite things is this chickie right here, Miss Andrea. She has the best recipes. That's why I'm stoked she's here with me today. So everybody join me in welcoming Andrea. Woo! The crowd goes wild.
We are gonna make a fresh corn salad. Yes. We are gonna showcase all this gorgeous summer produce we have, and I don't know about you, but I love fresh summer tomatoes and corn. Okay, so the first thing is we blanch the corn. To blanch it, you just drop it in some boiling water for about 2 minutes, take it out, and put it in ice cold water.
Awesome. Today was the first time. Yeah, I was like, I didn't even know. I thought that was like a term that the Golden Girls use, like, cause blanch.
Now we have to just chop some things up.
Okay, so we've got pretty cutting boards for each of us.
And you just cut all the way down like this.
Look, Mom, I'm cutting corn. My mom doesn't even watch the show.
There you go.
Okay, well, while we're finishing up this delicious corn, tell us a little bit about who is Andrea. Everybody, I think, knows you as Nashvillemade.
Well, Andrea is a mom. I have 2 grown kids.
Which you don't look old enough. No way.
I've been married for 22 years.
Whoa.
And I know it sounds corny, but to my very best friend.
Aww, I love
he's
that.
Actually coming home from Iraq in 3 days.
Are you so excited?
So we're so excited, yes. And I just really like to spend my time. I actually truly love cooking. I cook for a living. I develop recipes for people that own websites, and so I do the recipes for those sites. And then
they are so lucky to have you.
Also have a blog, and I run the Nashvillemade food account.
That's awesome. I love cucumbers. They smell so fresh and clean. My husband thinks they smell like soap.
Because he doesn't like cucumbers.
This is really pretty colors.
Super easy. Yep.
Like, if you think of a fresh summer salad, this is it.
This is it.
I want the onion, baby.
Yeah,
Give it to me.
Yeah.
I don't care if I have stinky breath.
Me either. Well, 2 onions cancel each other out, so.
Really? I was like, wait, huh?
If you both have onion breath.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so I'm blonde, and everyone in this room literally just gave me the look that I should be ashamed of myself.
You guys got it, right?
Oh, that's going in there. So of course we have to take some pictures because we're bloggers.
I like to keep my bacon in nice chunks just because I want to bite down on a piece of bacon. So I actually leave it in about 1/2-inch pieces.
It's from a not real pig because they're so cute. Where can people find you?
People can find me on Instagram. I'm Nashvillemade. And I actually just got into that quite by accident. I just was that nerd that took pictures of all my food.
You started it.
I
now
did.
Everybody's like taking pictures
I don't
of
know
their
that I
food.
started it, but
It
it just really started by accident.
Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. Sorry, little man.
So we also made a little extra bacon because a little extra bacon never really hurt anybody.
No, except the pig.
So you just want to roll it up really tight as you can get it.
Okay, like a doobie. No, I've never done that. Ooh, I'm chiffonading.
And then this just creates those really
I love
long,
it.
pretty strands. You can do 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
All right. And this is olive oil straight from the bowels of Italy. I don't know. So 3 of this too?
Yep.
Okay. We're just gonna spread a nice layer of arugula.
Really generous, and this just makes it pretty. If you do this at a party, bring this in a separate container and do this right before you serve it because this will definitely start to wilt as soon as you put the salad on.
I love that. You guys can find everything you want to know about Andrea linked below, as well as this delicious recipe. We'll make sure to have all the ingredients for you. Now we're gonna get corny and eat our salad.